So, let's check out the planets next.
Planets? Click on one of the pictures below to learn fun facts about planets in our solar system.
Okay, Casey and Rachel, settle down. Listen.
Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the sun. It is very hot and dry.
Casey and Rachel, did you know that Mercury takes lots of birthdays for every year? Well, the time it takes for Mercury to circle the sun, but I'll get lots of birthdays on Mercury for every year.
Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun. Sometimes you can see Venus in the early evening sky.
Casey and Rachel, Venus is so beautiful. It was named by the Roman goddess of beauty. Great question, Casey. Venus is named after a woman. But Venus's clouds never make rain because it's too hot for clouds to make rain.
Earth is the third planet from the sun. 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered in water. Earth has one moon. Its name is Luna.
We live on Earth. Casey and Rachel, do you live in the Philippines on Earth? I live in America on Earth. Everyone else lives all over the world on Earth.
Mars is the fourth planet from the sun. It is sometimes called the red planet. Mars has 2 moons. Their names are Phobos and Deimos.
Casey and Rachel, Mars is the best place for ice cream. If you get ice cream on Mars, you have to say, ice scream! Ice cream! Get it?
Jupiter. Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun. It is the biggest of all the planets in our solar system. Jupiter's surface is striped. Jupiter has faint rings around it. The rings are made of small grains of rock. It has 16 known moons.
Casey and Rachel, the red spot on Jupiter is a red storm. Of course, it has 4 Galilean moons: Ganymede, Io, Europa, and Callisto. Callisto seems to sparkle.
Saturn. Saturn is the 6th planet from the sun. It has many rings around it. The rings are made of chunks of ice.
Casey, did you know that Saturn can float? Saturn could float if you have a big enough bathtub. Yeah, but it will leave a ring.
Uranus is the 7th planet from the sun. It looks green and blue. Uranus has 15 moons and 11 rings. The rings are made of rocks and ice.
Uranus has a cool moon, whose name is Miranda. Oh, I thought you meant Carmen Miranda.
Neptune is the 8th planet from the sun. It looks blue and has faint rings around it. Neptune has 8 known moons, 7 small ones, and 1 big one. Its name is Triton.
Neptune was named after the god of the sea. The great dark spot on Neptune has a cool dark storm. Oh, Triton, if we get along, let us marry. Ah, we make a peach of a pear.
Pluto is the 9th planet from the sun. It is the smallest planet in our solar system. It has a moon called Charon.
Rachel? What's Pluto now? Pluto is just a star now, right?